Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham Chennai is among the 9 campuses of Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham established in 2003. The campus has received an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. This review will focus on the BTech course offered here, starting with its 3.7 rated placements. According to student reviews, top recruiters include Google, Amazon, TCS, Infosys, Oracle and Accenture. They offer roles such as software engineer, data scientist and full stack developer. As per NIRF 2024 report, during the 2023 placements, out of the 2,267 undergraduate 4-year graduates, 1,834 were placed, while 433 opted for higher studies, resulting in a placement rate of 81%, marking a slight increase from the previous year. The median salary offered was 7.42 lakh per annum, showing significant improvement compared to the previous years. However, student reviews indicate that the average salary specifically for the Chennai campus ranges between 10 to 14 lakh per annum. Amrita's average package offered is competitive to VIT Chennai. The campus offers internships at the end of the 4th semester with durations ranging from 1 to 6 months. Over 300 companies visit each year and the highest stipend offered has been 1.25 lakh per month. Moving ahead to the academic offerings, where the BTech program has been rated 3.5 out of 5 stars. Amrita Chennai has 2 schools offering BTech programs, the School of Computing and the School of Engineering. The School of Computing offers BTech programs in computer science cybersecurity and computer science artificial intelligence. The School of Engineering meanwhile offers BTech programs in mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer and communication engineering, and robotics and AI. To be eligible, candidates must have a minimum of 60% aggregate in physics, chemistry, and mathematics, with at least 55% in each subject individually. Selection is based on JEE main scores of the Amrita Entrance Examination Engineering. The total fees ranges between 16 to 24 lakh. The institution offers scholarships or fee waivers of up to 100% based on merit and admission interview performance. Shifting gears to the 3.5 rated infrastructure. The Chennai campus includes a library, ICT facilities, modern classrooms, auditoriums, hostels, sports facilities, cafeterias, transportation services, and medical facilities. Speaking of hostel facilities, students have reported that the mess offers both veg and non-veg food options. However, many students have rated the hostel facilities negatively and are not happy with the hostel. The campus offers diverse indoor and outdoor sports facilities such as cricket, football, table tennis, carom, basketball, badminton, and a gym. Moving on now to faculty and course rated 3.6 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com, who note that the faculty members hold PhDs and are approachable, and the curriculum is updated every 4 years to meet industry demands. Additionally, Amrita has partnerships with international institutions like Erasmus Mundus and Deakin University for study abroad programs. Now turning our attention to the 3.3 rated campus life. The campus organizes multiple events throughout the year, such as the graduation ceremony, festival celebrations like Deepavali, Christmas, sports events, and the annual cultural fest. Lastly, taking a look at the university's rank in the NIRF 2024 report, the Chennai campus is currently unranked. For more details on AVV Chennai and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.